Hello, I'm Yoda and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make my two favorite protein shakes. The first one's going to be chocolate with peanut butter and a banana, and the second one's going to be strawberry and mangoes with a banana. Now we use the banana as a mixer so we don't have to use almond milk or other mixers like that. We can just use straight water and ice. So let's go ahead and get started on the first one. You'll notice everything's set up, and I learned the hard way that this is the best way to do it. You see all these cooking shows and they're like, they have everything laid out, and it's like, here's 45 minutes worth of setup, and we're going to be able to get through this really quickly this way. So start running the peanut butter one, and we're going to use the Isopure chocolate. And Isopure is basically an isolated whey protein. That means that it doesn't have any of the extra stuff in it. They try to get rid of the lactose, they get rid of the carbs, they get rid of the fat. It's just the whey protein itself. Next, these proteins are also fortified, just like some cereals are fortified and things like that, so it has extra vitamins and things like that added. And you're going to find the same thing with the vanilla that we're going to use for the other shake. And we're also going to use this peanut butter powder. And the peanut butter powder basically is the same as regular peanut butter, but they've extracted all of the fat out of it, and then it's just been dried. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with a banana. And I'm using the Vitamix 5200. It's the super fancy professional one because I make these all the time. Now at the bottom of this video, there's a link to all the things I'm using. Any event blender you have will work just fine. I just happen to like this one. I break my banana into 4 pieces. And next I'm going to put my proteins in. So in this case I've got 2 scoops of protein. And you're like, Yoda, where do you get all these scoops for these proteins? Well, that's just how many of these containers I've been through over the years. And then I'm going to use the peanut butter one, and it has a little smaller scoop for that. And I shake it a little bit to get it down to the bottom. Next you're going to use a full cup of ice. And notice the ice cup marks here, but it's actually all the way to the top. And then you're going to use 1 measured cup of water. Now obviously you can use as much ice or water as you want, but this is what's worked for me. Put our lid on it. I'm going to start it on the low setting. And our protein shake is ready. So we need to get us a Yoda cup. If you want it a little thicker, you can add more ice. If you don't want it as thick, you can add less ice. Just perfect, as I expected. Now let me wash this out real quick. Okay, now for the second one, we're also going to start with banana. And we're also going to do it in quarters. So I'll take it in half, break it in half again, break it in half. I don't like these little stringy things, get rid of that. And on this one as well, we're going to take 2 scoops of the Isopure protein. In this case, it's the vanilla protein. And then I like to beat it to the bottom to keep it better mixed at the bottom. Now I'm going to use 10 large strawberries. Now if your strawberries aren't large, you may need 12. And these are frozen. That means I don't need any ice. And 10 chunks of mango. Also frozen. Kind of shake that to get them all organized. Now I'm going to add exactly 1 cup of water on top of this. Put my lid on. I'm going to start it on low and then go to high. So it's on low. And that one is ready. Now the nice thing about Isopure protein is that it doesn't cause any inflammation. The casein protein that's in dairy products is what causes the inflammation, but being an isolated whey protein, that's all been removed. Absolutely amazing. I hope you enjoyed this today. I hope you can make this work for you. At the end of the bottom of the video, the different products we're using here so that you can try to replicate the same thing we've done here. Outside of that, I hope you have a great day. Peace out.